Everyone, my BoxyCharm got here and I wanted to share with you all what I got, so let's take a look. The theme for this box is Harvest. I got variation number 25. On the back of this little card it tells me more information about the products and also the price. The first item I pull out is from Half Caked. This is Game Changer Lip Fondant Trio. Here's what they look like, really pretty colors, and I do love the packaging. The second item I pull out is from Moda. This is the Ultimate Eye Sculptors. I love the design of these brushes and the handles are really pretty. Like I always say, you can never have too many brushes. So I love getting brushes. The third item is from Benefit Cosmetics. This is the Gimme Brow Volumizing Eyebrow Gel. The fourth item I received is from Dr. Brandt. This is an antioxidant spray toner. I was really sad when I received my box because it spilled everywhere. It was all over everything. I was able to contact customer service and they didn't have one to replace it, but they did give me points to make up for it. So that was nice. Last item in the box, I was really excited when I saw that I might be getting this. This is the Natasha Denona Peak Palette, and I'm so excited because I've never tried any of her eyeshadows. I've always heard really nice things about them, but I've never gotten the chance to buy a palette because they're pricey. So I was excited when I saw this. Here is what the palette looks like. These colors are beautiful, perfect for fall, and I love it. I'm so excited. Here's everything I received for the base box. I had variation number 25. I'm so happy with everything. Let me know if you guys received any of the same products as I did or different ones. Let me know down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment. It means the world. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.